This video will show you how to replace the engine air filter on a Cadillac CTS. This will be located along the driver's side of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate the air filter housing along the driver's side of the engine compartment. Up along the top of the air filter housing, you're going to find that you have two Phillips head screws. Let's remove the pair. You could also use a flat blade screwdriver if necessary. Okay, that one's loose. These are captured mounting screws. They should not fall out of place, but they should be loose. Now you can take hold of that air filter housing. We'll pull it away, reach in, take hold of the air filter, and slide it up and out of position. There it is, friend. Prior to installing any brand new part, of course, we want to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. That would be inside of this air filter housing. Take a quick peek, make sure there's no miscellaneous debris. And now it's time for installation of the brand new air filter. You want to make sure you have it in the proper orientation. This would be considered along the front, and this would be along the rearward side, and this needs to be the top corner. We'll slide this down into place here. As we bring this down, we're also bringing the upper cover down into position as well. Everything should just slide right into place fairly easily. Sliding this down. Now once you feel as though you have that in position, let's continue on with the other portion of the box here. There we are. Snug them up. This next one here. Once you feel as though you have it in the proper placement, you need to double check to make sure it's completely seated. We do not want any dirty air making its way into the engine. Aside from that, go ahead and start your vehicle and take it for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.